In the wake of the horrific rape and murder of a trainee doctor in Kolkata, concerns about the safety of females and females in medical profession also have erupted across the country. The tragic incident at the RG Kar Medical College, of especially the brutality and the rape and the murder, has put a spotlight on the vulnerabilities faced even by women, even in hospitals, and especially during the night shift. So here's a reality check that we decided to do from India's top hospitals, and this is what we found out.
The gruesome rape and murder of a trainee doctor at RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata has triggered massive outrage across the country. It has also set the alarm bells ringing over the safety and security of women's staff in government-run hospitals. India Today's nationwide reality check has exposed the grim situation in hospitals across various cities. Our reporter Nalini Sharma did a late-night check of some of Delhi's well-known government hospitals. First stop, the Safdarjung Hospital. Here, a resident doctor on duty told us how they lacked a separate duty room for female doctors. She said they don't have a private area for the women to take a break or rest during long shifts. And the washroom and toilets are in a pathetic condition.
Washrooms are horrible. आप पीछे जाके देख सकते हो, फ्लश काम नहीं करता. There is no separate area for female doctors. मतलब जो doctors के लिए डॉक्टर कोई separate area नहीं है. But जो ऊपर doctors हैं उसमें guard बैठा रहता है सामने. Entry होती है वहाँ पर बाहर जाने. But there is no separate area for women as such.
From dirty, non-functional toilets to dark corridors and unsafe passageways. Another female resident doctor at the Safdarjung Hospital talked about how scary it is to move from one department to another at night.
You see people around now, then you'll come to know how unsafe environment we are living. Okay, see, if you go straight, there is a corridor over there, which is not at all lit. We doctors should run to the blood banks to bring the blood to the patient through that unlit corridor. And if you go even outside, there is an accessible building. Beach mein there is a lamba rasta. We might have to take the patient there for some refills. There again it is unlit. And we are surrounded by such a mob of patients now. They are not there. Right now they are less because there is strike. Otherwise, we are surrounded by such a mob of patients, and anytime anybody will come inside, and anybody can hit us. The scenario is very bad. You can take a video of that car. You can take the video of going to SSB. You will know how unlit the area is and how we are afraid of going to that area. If anybody comes and hit us or anybody comes and do anything to us, there is nobody could answer. We have 24-hour shift, 12-hour shift. 36-hour shifts, okay? And we have to see, we are working for the people. We are ready to work for the people. But the thing is, the scenarios are not so good.
On an average, these female resident doctors work in 24 to 36-hour shifts, and all they are asking for is a clean, decent and safe environment at the place of their work. The situation is more or less the same even for the male resident doctors.
प्रैक्टिकली 2 दिन का प्रोटेस्ट है ना, और यहाँ भी 2 दिन में छुट्टी वगैरह बोल देंगे यार, ठीक है बाकी होती फैक्ट्री. हाँ, फैक्ट्री तो फालतू में मतलब नहीं है, हमारी तो लगी नहीं है 24 आवर्स. कुछ नहीं मतलब 24 ICU में रुकना ही पड़ता है. बस एक DDR होता है अंदर, एक बेड होता है उसमें, 2-3 SR होते हैं, 2 JR होते हैं. जैसे
They work 24-hour shifts and sometimes get just an hour for rest. The sad part is the all-pervasive feeling that nothing will change after these protests, that they have to go back to the same old grind. It is close to 2 a.m. in the heart of the capital, at the famous Ram Manohar Lohia or RML hospital. Female doctors report being yelled at and occasionally attacked by patients, underscoring the precariousness of their situation.
For emergency department, I feel safe. Much कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. We are never forced. अगर कोई जैसे पेशेंट्स आके हमें चिल्लाते हैं, ये वो गार्ड की सिक्योरिटी रहती है। कभी कभार थोड़ा ज्यादा, जैसे 6 से 7 पेशेंट के साथ वाले आ जाते हैं, दे स्टार्ट टू शाउट ऑन अस, एक मारने के लिए भी आ जाता है, और तब तक गार्ड रहते हैं। इट इज सेफ, आई फील सेफ इन इमरजेंसी डिपार्टमेंट। बाकी डिपार्टमेंट आई हैव नॉट एक्सपीरियंस मच।
And what about the night shifts? Night shifts में
Night shift we be inside only. We don't go out. We be in the inside. We have inside only the doctor room, separate DDR. So वहाँ पे हम लोग अगर रेस्ट करना है तो वहाँ रेस्ट कर सकते हैं. We will eat food there only. So it is much.
And are there enough DDRs?
Yeah, only one DDR. 2 beds are available.
Okay.
Very small. That's the problem.
Okay.
No washroom inside.
Okay.
That's the problem.
And male and female DDRs are separate? Or?
No, same DDR. Even the washroom is same for male, female worker. Everyone go in the washroom.
पर वो थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो
हाँ
जाती
जी,
है?
हाँ जी, ये प्रॉब्लम है।
और-
सेपरेट डॉक्टर्स के लिए, स्पेशली फीमेल्स के लिए वॉशरूम नहीं है यहाँ पे।
और बिल्डिंग में अगर मतलब कैंपस में आपको एक बिल्डिंग से दूसरी बिल्डिंग जाना है,
हाँ
so
हाँ।
is it safe to travel at night and all?
वेल वी ट्रैवल, वैसे तो कोई गार्ड नहीं रहता, ये भी प्रॉब्लम है। बट ट्रैवलिंग देयर इज नो गार्ड आउटसाइड द बिल्डिंग, दे विल बी इनसाइड।
There is just one doctor duty room with 2 beds for both male and female resident doctors at the RML hospital. And there is no separate washroom for the female doctors. From RML, India Today's team drove to the oldest hospital in Delhi, the Bara Hindu Rao Hospital. This must be the worst hospital in Delhi. Why? Just listen to what the resident doctors have to say.
अगर यहाँ पे भीड़ वगैरह लगती है, जो कि अक्सर लोग करते हैं यहाँ हमारा ड्यूटी, सबसे पहले ये प्रोटेक्शन वाले ही गायब होते हैं, लेकिन वो लोग उसमें कुछ इन्वॉल्व नहीं होते। वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे कुछ किसी का कुछ वो पुलिस वाला एक ड्यूटी कांस्टेबल होता है हमारे यहाँ पे, बट वो आसपास ही होता है, बट वो भी कुछ करते नहीं। ऐसा कुछ होता है तो वो कुछ करते नहीं है, वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा PCR कॉल कर देंगे, वो तो हम भी खुद कर सकते हैं अपने से। फीमेल डॉक्टर्स के लिए हम पर्सनली जितना कर देते हैं हम खुद ही कर देते हैं आपस में, कि नाइट शिफ्ट्स नहीं लगाते हैं उनकी, ज़्यादातर मेल लोगों की लगाते हैं, उसको ये अपनी तरफ से प्रिकॉशन देते हैं। बाकी ऐसे तो ऐसा हाँ जी, ऐसा कोशिश करें कि उनकी अवॉइड करी जाए, नाइट शिफ्ट ज़्यादा ना लगे। कहीं भेजना है तो किसी उसको साथ में ना लेके जाना पड़े। पेशेंट ट्रांसफ़र करना है तो अगर हमारे पास ऑप्शन है मेल डॉक्टर भेजने का तो उसको भेजा जाए। अभी आप देखिए और बड़े बड़े हम रात को सोते नहीं हैं क्योंकि सुबह उठते हैं, तो इससे अच्छा मैं जल्दी से काम करता हूँ।
Night duty at the Bara Hindu Rao Hospital is a nightmare for resident doctors. Rats and cockroaches crawling all over the hospital complex. The scene is right out of a horror film. But wait, there's more to make your blood boil.
हर दिन कोई ना कोई इंसिडेंट होता है, कोई ना कोई चिल्ला के चले जाता है, किसी को कुछ होता है।
और सेफ्टी का
सेफ्टी पब्लिक्स देयर इज नो सेफ्टी। yesterday PD से somebody came and she was referred in some other hospital. I tried to explain it to her that that hospital also had given her admission. आप वहाँ पर क्यों नहीं गए? In this thing उसको किसी और से भी समझाया, कोई और सुनने को नहीं गया, उसको समझ नहीं आया, उसको उसके सारे के सारे ट्रीटमेंट्स यहाँ पर डाल के अभी उसको ले चले। हाँ, बिकॉज वो होता है ना माइनर इनकन्वीनियंस कैसे होता है, इसमें मुझे आई कम एट अराउंड 8 o'clock, मतलब 7:30 खाना कर देता हूँ। अगली रात यस,
That's like 36 hours.
that's not even पुरानी बात नहीं है, उसके साथ करके ऐसे
36 hours.
36 hours।
And during this time मतलब सोना, नहाना,
ये रात भर पेशेंट आते हैं और तो एक डॉक्टर वहाँ पर जो भी रेजिडेंट
और आप सोते भी थे 36?
सिक्योरिटी इशू तो हर जगह है, सेम है जैसा वहाँ है ऐसे ही।
मतलब कि लैक ऑफ कोई पुलिस वगैरह बाहर
बिल्कुल होना चाहिए। ट्रेवल तो इधर नीचे से जैसे आते हैं तो अंधेरा अंधेरा होता है, यहाँ पे मुश्किल होता है। पहले एम्बुलेंस वगैरह जाती थी तो अब नहीं जाती है, तो ये है कि चलो अपनी कन्वेंस से भी आ सकते हैं। मेन तो ये है कि यहाँ पे जैसे ड्यूटी पे आते हैं तो पेशेंट्स भी ऐसे मिसबिहेव करके जाते हैं। अपनी सिक्योरिटी पर्पज तो हर जगह ही है, जैसा वहाँ है सेम यहाँ पे।
Rats, cockroaches, long duty hours, lack of sleep, shared toilets, shared restrooms for male and female doctors, no security. You name it, and Hindu Rao Hospital has all the melees, from bad to worse. Working night shifts in Delhi's government hospitals can make the resident doctors and nurses sick, very, very sick. The struggle is similar at Bangalore's KC General Hospital in Malleshwaram.
I'm at KC General Hospital in Bangalore, which is one of the most frequented government hospitals in the state. It's in Malleshwaram, one of the most busiest areas in Bengaluru, and you can say, and I'm going to be giving you a reality check as to what exactly the security of female doctors in a top government hospital is like in the state.
The emergency building is shrouded in darkness with no security personnel in sight.
The condition of the room is pathetic. There's absolutely no human movement. As you can see, the entire building is empty. For what? And there's a specialist doctor's room inside. We assume that there are female doctors who could be resting inside that room. Possibly after a long day's night shift, they come here to rest and to relax. And to our absolute shock and dismay, there's not a single security personnel who is deployed across this, forget the building, across this entire floor. Not a single security personnel deployment, and is nothing but shocking and a great threat to a female doctor who will be resting in KC General Hospital.
Doctors resting inside are left vulnerable, with empty corridors offering no protection or reassurance. This ground report exposes the glaring gaps in security and safety of female medical professionals across India. A visit to the Government General Hospital in Vijayawada, however, offers a rare glimpse of hope. Even late at night, the hospital maintains security with guards stationed at entrances and CCTV cameras monitoring the premises.
One of the important things that I've noticed is that despite every person who is coming in, including here at the casualty, there is a security guard who's been kept on standby here at the emergency as well, to ensure that there isn't due process that is not followed. So it's not lapse there. So that's one thing that we can find here as well.
It is time for a comprehensive overhaul of hospital safety protocols, particularly during night shifts, to ensure that no woman has to fear for her life while saving others. With Nalini Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.